See the level of the next. Now, the nails. Now here is the Mew Pokemon. Now let's draw the tail of. Start from here. This way. Go upwards and continue with the same line. And come back. So here is the Mew. Now let's outline it with the black sketch pen. Now the eyes should be black, be left as it is. Now cover this with black. Now draw the outline. Children, you must be aware of this Pokemon. Mew is a small pink colored Pokemon. It is a psychic type Pokemon. Mew has a unique ability to learn everything. Mew has an ability to learn every technical machine. Now, this Pokemon does not evolve. Mew is a very powerful Pokemon. Sorry, this Mew evolves into Mewtwo. After you finished this outline portion, you can use pencil colors to color this. I have used pencil colors. First finish this portion, then we'll start coloring. Here, the Muse. Here's the Mew. You can see. Use pencil colors to color this. I've colored this with pink color. Now, give some shading to the lower portion of this limb, in the neck, inside the ears, to give it a bulging effect, 3D effect. Now here in the limbs, on the upper part of this foot, inside these ears, now the tail portion. Now don't color the full tail with dark pink. If you like it, then just press the like button, subscribe my channel, and watch some new Pokemon. Till then, goodbye.